Hi friend, this is a video to demonstrate how to install Surya Electric Chimney model ES14000 TD. Here are the tools. These are the attachment like screw. Tools used is measurement tape, drill machine, screwdrivers, cutter and a hammer. Now we'll go with the packing. How to unpack a product. Use this cutter to unpack the product. This is the master carton of the product. Inside there is one piece of Surya Electric Chimney. That we have taken out can also be used to store other products in your home. Remove this wooden jacket. A few fitting material in the box like exhaust pipe. This can be lengthened up according to your requirement like this. Reversal also. This is your first fitting. Next is your wall mounting clamp. The third one is your oil collector cup, used to collect all type of oil which go inside the chimney while cooking. This collect and remove. These three are the major fittings. And then take this out. Always make sure when you are taking out there is little space over here. Use this space and this one to hold. Don't try to hold the glass. This will be more safer and easier to take this out. With this, then remove all types of packing over here itself. Put it on a slab. And these are your instruction manual and screws. So here are 4 things. Before we start installing this chimney, we have to take care of one important thing. When you get this chimney, there are 2 flaps over here. We recommend you to remove this completely before installing. And do not keep this with your chimney. Second step, loosen up this wire. You have to make sure that the product you receive is in a working condition. Sometimes there are chances of a little bit damage in the product while transportation. So just put it in the power supply, switch it on, power on, check the speed of the motor, lights, and that's enough for checking. And that is enough for checking before installation. Before hanging this chimney on the wall, we have to install few more things within the chimney. Like there is the oil collector cup. This have 2 cuts on both the sides, which will go like this. And there are 2 clamp over here. We have to put it very smoothly here, over here like this, and this is done. Before installation, there is one more thing. We have to put filters. Like this. And also you have to peel off all these films on the chimney. There are few films on the filter, bottom body, LED lights. On the top side there is a like this blue color film also. It is very easy to take this out. Just go a little bit slow. In the meantime, I would like to suggest you one more thing. There is an oxygen and smoke sensor. So when you are cleaning a chimney, just make sure that this part to be cleaned gently, not roughly. You can use a small toothbrush or something if it is a little bit dirty, but don't use cloth or something like hard thing to clean this up, because this is a little bit sensitive. If in case there is a LPG leakage in your kitchen or any type of gas leakage in your kitchen, it will help you to start, it will automatically start the chimney, and this will clear all the LPG from your kitchen and take the LPG out from your home, which is unburnt LPG and quite dangerous, and because of that any accident will happen. Just to avoid that, we use this switch. This is automatically switch, you don't need to switch on or switch off this. Only you have to keep your chimney always power on with the main supply. This panel is of no use for this, because this will start automatically only in one case, if there is any type of gas leakage, and it will be done. So just take care, clean it quite gently with a brush. Don't use it any hard thing to clean or any type of chemical. Then we just put this filter up and hang it on the wall. On the clamp we already fitted on the wall. Normally Surya Electric chimney is around 23.5 inches, a little lesser than 2 feet, so that it can easily fit in a space of 2 feet, which is Indian standard for a chimney, and with a height of around 19 inches in total, and the hole size will be around 17 inch from the bottom. So the best advisable place to keep this product in a kitchen above your gas stove will be around 4 feet is a recommendable height. So you have to use this clamp, and these two holes are more than sufficient, because chimney has a weight less than 10 kgs, and the product less than 10 kgs will easily be have a weight to be carried out just on 2 screws. So we have to measure the space above your kitchen slab is around 4 feet, which is around here. This clamp to be fitted exactly 4 feet above the kitchen slab, but according to your height and your uses, you can adjust it a little bit up or down, like 4.5 feet is okay, 3.8 feet is okay, but not less than 3.8 foot. Otherwise the lower part will become very near to your head while working, and it is not advisable. You can stretch up a height, little bit more is okay, but according to our place 4 feet is enough, so we'll fit it on 4. This wall mounting clamp for electric chimney should be around 4 feet higher than your kitchen slab. After putting it, we'll have to take up the center and then put a mark on your floor level accordingly, so that we can make a drill. Just make sure while before drilling, this clamp should be in a straight line, not like tilted. Otherwise the chimney will not look good. After doing this, we will use a drill machine. We have already drilled this place. Just for a demo, we are showing you this, that we have to drill 2 holes accordingly. This clamps. First put this clamp inside, and then the other one. After putting this clamp to be fit like this. Just make sure there is a little space if you have a wooden work upside, so that when you put this chimney, it will be easily hang up here. If you put it a little upside, it will be very hard to hang this up in the short place. So let's start with the hanging. Before start hanging, we'll show you something. This chimney has 2 grooves over here, and these 2 grooves will be going to hang on this clamp accordingly, just like this. As you can hang up your clothes in a hanger, first of all power on the supply and check whether it is still running good or any issue in this. It looks fine, so just cut off the power. Then we have to fix the exhaust pipe over here. When we ship the chimney to the customers, it will come with this pipe, as we have shown you in the demo first, we have already put it here. Now we will fix the exhaust pipe. Comes with this chimney. The chimney groove is around 5 inches, which should be fit in the chimney hood. There is a exhaust cap which is already fitted with the chimney. When we give you groove exactly on the same size to be fitted accordingly. Just for your complete suction power to be used, we use this tape. Like this. This chimney has 6 feather touch buttons, as you can see on the panel. These are touch screen panel. This one is for power on off. This one is for your LED lights to see your food while cooking. This one is a timer feature. This I will explain you. And these 3 are the speed of the motor as per the requirement or your kitchen needs. Like this one is for the fast, medium speed, slow speed. This one, as you can see it on the display, it have a clock feature. You can adjust the clock according to your time. Like you have this one, first of all you have to power off your chimney completely, then power it on again, then use the medium button function of the motor. It will activate the clock adjustment feature. Now, as right now it's around 8 o'clock, so we use this 20. This has adjusted the hour setting in a clock. Then press it again to adjust the minute setting. Right now it is 11. So, and then press it again. This will automatically save your clock setting. Whenever you switch off the chimney from the main power supply, it will reset. So we recommend you just to use this button to power on and power off your kitchen chimney. Suppose we are using this chimney. Now I explain you the clock or timer feature in this one. This timer feature will help you if suppose you are in a hurry and you want to shut down your chimney automatically after cleaning the smoke in the kitchen. You can use this feature. Like suppose it's in the running mode, you can adjust the speed according to your requirement or smoke in the kitchen. Then if suppose you are in a hurry and you have to do something else and you want to go out from the kitchen, but in that case still there is smoke in the kitchen, so you want to remove the smoke but you don't want to stay here. So this feature will help you to clean your kitchen smoke easily, and automatically it will shut down. It has a 3-minute timer function. That means when you press this button and adjust the speed accordingly, this 3-minute timer will start. It will show it here like 179. These are the seconds, and within 3 minutes it will clean all the air in the kitchen and shut down automatically. So just make sure you don't switch off the chimney from the main power supply. You have to just use this one, but in this case it will shut down automatically. So just keep it like this. After 3 minutes it will shut down automatically, and you can leave your home or do something else. You don't need to worry about this.